I'll guide you through how to make a dashboard in Smartsheet. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and type in smartsheet.com. On the homepage, go to top left of your screen and click Try Smartsheet for free. Enter your email address. Then, fill your first name, last name, phone number, job title, and your region. Once you've finished, click Continue button. Next, create your password and make sure to check the box agreeing to Smartsheet's terms. After that, when you're on the home page, click the Create button on the left side of the screen. Then scroll down until you find the Dashboard menu and click on the Dashboard menu. This will take you to the Workspace page. On this page, name your workspace. For example, you can name it Alexander Business Workspace. Once you've named it, click on the Workspace items to view your Workspace dashboard. You will now be able to name your dashboard. For example, you could use the name Tax Dashboard. After completing this step, your personalized dashboard will be created and ready for use.